Starting a Dairy Farm, a step-by-step guide for beginners. Introduction. Welcome to this guide on starting a dairy farm. Whether you're passionate about farming or considering entering the dairy industry, this guide will provide you with essential steps to establish your own dairy startup. Let's get started. 1. Research and planning. A. Understand the dairy industry. Learn about different dairy products, market demand, industry trends, and potential challenges. B. Identify your niche. Determine the type of dairy farm you want to establish, such as cow, buffalo, goat milk, or milk products. C. Create a business plan. Outline your goals, financial projections, marketing strategies, and operational plans. 2. Acquire knowledge and skills. A. Attend workshops or training programs. Gain hands-on experience and knowledge about animal husbandry, nutrition, health management, and farm operations. B. Connect with local farmers. Seek guidance from experienced dairy farmers, join agricultural associations, and participate in industry events. 3. Selecting the right location. A. Evaluate available land. Consider the size, quality, and suitability of the land for dairy farming. B. Access to resources. Ensure availability of water, electricity, and proximity to veterinary services, markets, and transportation. 4. Procuring livestock and infrastructure. A. Choose healthy animals. Source high-quality dairy cattle or goats from reputable breeders or auctions. B. Build suitable housing. Construct well-ventilated barns or sheds with proper drainage and comfortable resting areas for the animals. C. Install milking equipment. Purchase milking machines, bulk tanks, and other necessary equipment for efficient milk production. 5. Ensuring animal health and nutrition. A. Develop a feeding plan. Consult with a livestock nutritionist to create balanced diets using a combination of quality forages, grains, and supplements. B. Establish a herd health program. Work with a veterinarian to design a vaccination schedule, conduct regular checkups, and address any health issues promptly. C. Practice good hygiene. Implement proper sanitation procedures for animal housing, milking equipment, and milk storage areas. 6. Milk production and handling. A. Implement milking protocols. Train staff on proper milking techniques, udder hygiene, and milk quality control measures. B. Establish milk storage and cooling systems. Install refrigeration units or bulk tanks to quickly cool and store milk at the appropriate temperature. C. Develop a milk transportation plan. Determine the most efficient and hygienic method to transport milk to processing facilities or direct consumers. 7. Marketing and distribution. A. Develop a branding strategy. Create a unique brand name, logo, and packaging design for your dairy products. B. Identify target markets. Research local markets, retailers, restaurants, and consider direct sales options such as farmers markets or online platforms. C. Establish distribution channels. Build relationships with distributors, retailers, or set up your own sales channels to reach your target customers. 8. Financial management. A. Track expenses and revenues. Implement a robust accounting system to monitor your financials accurately. B. Seek financial assistance. Explore loans, grants, or government programs that support agricultural startups. C. Regularly review and adjust your financial plan. Continuously evaluate and modify your financial strategies based on market conditions and business performance. Conclusion. Starting a dairy farm requires careful planning, knowledge acquisition, and dedication. By following these steps and continuously learning and adapting to the industry, you can establish a successful dairy startup. Remember to prioritize the health and welfare of your animals while producing high-quality dairy products. Good luck with your dairy farming journey! Exclamation mark.